welcome back. So, in the last video, if you remember, I had an error every time I wanted to click create a new blog. I would be transported to the new blog, but then I would be redirected to a blog, which would be the current blog. The reason for that is because if we go to new blog, let me fix this indentation right here. If we go to new blog, you'll notice over here if it says blog created. It's automatically going to navigate us to this one right here. So this is what's triggering in our use effect. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Okay, because anytime we create a new blog, this blog created is going to be set to true. Okay, so how do we solve that? Right, this is going to be set to true. So how do we solve that? We gotta create a way so that way when we a way to reset blog created to false, right? Because on our blog reducer, over here, what is it? New blog success. We have to create. We're setting it to true. Let's say today we come in, we create a new blog, and then after we create this new blog, we decided we created a second blog. Well, this blog created is going to be set to true because of the first one we created. Okay, so what I did was in the clear current blog, instead of just the current blog is equal to null, I also set the blog created to false as well. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our blog list, okay, and our blog list, which is let's see, blogs, this page, okay. Whenever we whenever we click on create blog, okay, that's when we're going to clear current blog. So let's do that. Actually, this button, let me see, let me add this as well. Actually, you know what? Let me get rid of, no. Let's do this. I'm gonna click, add it to this right here. All right, and I believe I can just get rid of this altogether. Yeah. Let me get rid of this altogether. I don't need that button here. It just goes up here. Okay. All right. So, how do we fix that issue? All right. So let's on blog list. Let's say const on create new blog. We're gonna do, instead of on click, we're gonna remove this. Okay, we're gonna do on create new blog. That's the function. Then we're gonna pass. We're gonna do navigate. Actually, no. Let's do this. Let's clean it up a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to extract, what is it? This function. No, not the auth state. The blog state, it's going to be clear current blog. Okay, and we're gonna call that, right, actually, we're gonna call it right before we navigate. So just to show you, we're gonna do create blog. Okay, we're gonna generate one. We're gonna hit save, navigates. We're gonna go back to blog, and we're gonna do create blog. You'll notice it's not redirecting like it was doing before. Okay, so just a little. I'm gonna cut this one short because I want to keep the theming just for theming. So this was just a quick video on how to fix that error. So I'll see you in the next one.